Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi àti bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lè ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ẹ bá like ẹ subscribe ẹ like ẹ share ẹ comment kẹ́ lè máa jẹ àwọn àǹfààní tó ń lọ lórí ìkànnì ṣé lórí nínú fídíò tí mo fẹ́ rí ó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi àwọn àṣírí pẹ́rẹpẹ́rẹ ló wà nínú àwọn àṣírí tó wà yẹn tí bá ti lọ play máa wọ̀ pé nǹkan kan nílùú yìí ẹ bá yẹn ká fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ pa ejò ẹ ká wo fídíò yìí.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Hello everybody, you know what it is? It's your boy Naira Marley, CEO of Malian Music. I know never to explain myself to anybody because the people who like you doesn't need it and the people who dislike you won't believe it. Also, it's not true that people only believe what they see. People believe what they want, no matter what they see. This takes me back to the Quran, Surah Al-Hajj, verse 46. You know what it is coming, you know. It is not the eyes that are blind, but the hearts. I'm doing this video today for my real Malians around the world, around the globe. The ones that stood by me when it was peak. Especially the ones that are like, Naira Marley might have bullied him, but he didn't kill him. No, I didn't bully him, and I didn't kill him. Anyway, let's get started. 9th of March 2018, after 17 years in the UK, I came back to Nigeria. Came to see family and also to shoot some music videos. I shot EJekaGboOoto, very successful. I released the song already when I was in UK. It was successful. I came back to Nigeria to shoot the video. Dropped the video on the 27th of April 2018. I went back to UK, did my things, dropped Jakba in UK, successful, and came to Nigeria to shoot Alaye boy and to also celebrate my birthday. So we shot Alaye boy and we dropped it on the 9th of May 2019, a day before my birthday. I got arrested on my birthday. I was still sleeping, man. I got arrested on the EFCC issue. You guys know how we went. I was in Ikoyi prison. I got remanded to Ikoyi prison. I came out roughly, I don't know when, but by the time I got out, it was love. I mean, the fan base in Nigeria was crazy. Malians, I can't even go anywhere. It was nuts. It's very difficult for me to live in Nigeria, because I have family in UK. I have 4 kids. I have family in UK. It was very hard, but the fan base here was too crazy. I got my house. I got my first house in like 2019 or so. And that's when I decided to live in Nigeria. I didn't have no property in Nigeria, nothing, till 2019. Obviously I have family, my mom, but me personally, to 2019. That's when I decided, yeah, maybe I should have a place in Nigeria. So, yeah, moving on. There's shows every day. I mean, you know, this is normally 2019, 2020. There's shows every day.
Sorry, excuse me.
I was making so much money. I was on top of the world. At that time, you know, this is new to me. I was already famous in the UK before moving back to Nigeria.
I just wanna mind with you one now. Please let me mind with you one now. Kind of beast in the beast life. So high, I can't get higher. I just wanna mind with you one now. Please let me mind with you one now. Kind of beast in the beast life. So high, I can't get higher. Flying away, flying away. I'm flying away. I'm flying away, I'm flying away. I'm flying away. I'm flying away, I'm flying away. 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 I turn coke into crack, yeah, with magic. I mix it with it, cook it fast, yeah, that's magic. All gone in 1 minute, that's magic.
I came out of that ESC situation to the roof. When I was in the UK, back then I've always wanted to have my own music label, to be honest. But now when I'm in Nigeria, I have the platform, plus I know how much money I'm making. So imagine if there's like 4 or 5 of us making the same amount. So, and that's when I decided to start my own music label, Malian Music, you know, just to share my platform and also to make money, you know. I know how much I'm making, there's money in it. So fast forward to December 2019, Malian Fest, when I decided to announce Mohbad alongside Zino, C-Black, and others. Yeah, this is just a conversation between me and Mohbad. As you can see, Mohbad, you good, my bro, no problem. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is 29 December 2019. Malian Fest is on the 30th of December 2019, so it was still in Dubai the day before, and it's like, I don't want to miss the show. See our conversation is when it's in Nigeria. We came to the show. I announced him on the 1st of January. You can see, where should I come meet you? Where are you? I'm outside the apartment. Boom, 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 boom. I'll show you guys the conversation. How far, boss? I'm here. I went to my dad's church. Yes, this is when I started hearing about his dad. Went to his dad's church. I say when you blow more, you blow your dad too. Just, I believe he's gonna blow. This is it, you see? 5th of January, I'm telling him to pull the link in his bio and see how we're growing together. For booking, I gave him the contact. See our conversation. Boss, what about our jam? We're shooting this week. I think he's talking about Komajensu. You can see the love. Boss, I want to drop my song fast. Like I want to drop odd singles so that I can collect rookie at Eddie's this year. Wow. Can you imagine? And Eddie's didn't give him no award when he was alive. Even though he had one of the hottest songs, he had KPK, he had bangers. They didn't give him no award, but they gave him an award after. So sad. After his death, they gave him an award. That's so sad. I want to drop back to back, hot. The platform is there already. People are waiting for me to drop. Wow, oh my God. You see what he's saying? I believe in him. Like, he's ready to work. This is the energy, you see. I said, okay, I'm in Miami. We're shooting on Tuesday. This is Komajensu we're planning to shoot. So you see our relationship. Oh, this is funny. This picture of him at work. He sent me something funny. What's this 585? He sent me one alcoholic bitters he believes in. The guy is so funny. He said it's at work. I say, send your passport. So I'm sending now. He sent 2 passport pictures. No, he actually sent his passport picture and he sent his passport, like his traveling passport. I'm like, we're gonna send both passport, Nisha. Well, because I changed my phone, you might not see these pictures, but these things are actually in my phone. You can check with time and date when it's sent it. You see the time, like this is 24th of January. If you go in my phone, you will see, and time you will see it. I'll show you anyway. I'll send it. I said he sent both passport, Nisha. Boom, 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 boom. You see, I'm sorry about the dance, boss. I was only trying not to be lazy. But I said, no, I'm so not angry. I'm just angry that motherfucker tried to steal the dance and named it. Well, someone tried to steal our dance and name it, So I'm not angry at him. I'm a bad was school. You get me? We speak a lot. But my fault, you can always do a song for it with Rexy. But just watch and see the outcome of the dance. Now Malians get down. My brother, you see the energy. Yep. I just send me that video of you, see Black and Zeno, that defender thing.
Zinoliski. Kidem. Karu. Wait it. Only coach. Our one striker lost in Germany.
Boom. I'll show you guys the video. Which was lit. So Naira to defender only kini. No, that video was lit. I'll show you guys. You can see the time, date. I'm good, boss. You can see our relationship. Came around to see cash.
Hey, shit. No more now. Blow. Hey, shit,
It's a video of him and Cash. Cash won't leave me alone. He sent down. So I will not dare. You okay, boss? Back home. I need to be. How much make I borrow you? 20 mil. You see, like we have a relationship. Jamming it in the car. Boom. Now I've got a show in UK, Marian Fest at Brixton. So you can see he's praying. Even my dad, because I don't want you to lose, he's praying for me. Thousands of people got a ticket already. I say, everybody got a ticket, but it's not. I believe in God, all is possible. God that brought you here won't leave you. Amen. I'm like, Allah Muhammad, let's see how it goes. I'm in Ireland, boom, you see. It will happen in a great way. It has happened already. No panic. God that did the Eko Hotel Malian first will do the O2 Academy on too. I replied, love you. It's all love. No, all love. They say, when will my song be out? Updating you now. Boom, boom. Here's the video. Oh no, not tomorrow. I miss you so much. I was already in UK for Money Affairs, you see. I miss you so much in the space of how long we was chilling. Like, it's all love. It's all love, I swear. But let me put this on. It's been mad gone for anticipation. That song is the song of the year, I swear. I just saw the video. That's when I got the video for Kuma Jensen. Boom, boom, boom. I say private, don't send to anybody. See our relationship. Malians, I'm just showing you the love. I was on 23rd of February. I already got another show in Belgium. You can see in our conversation here.
Just the way you do all that stuff, can you get me mad? I can't believe that you're single. Let me be your man. And if you say no, that's all. Well, yeah. Cause I got the girl from Canada. She got a beautiful yes. She got in love with the lifestyle. She got in love with the cash. I got the girl from London.
Our Belgium show is going fine. Boom, boom, boom. Updating name, we're close. It's all love. Most times we speak on the phone, you get. Even doing this chat, sometimes we call ourselves, we speak on Snap, we speak face to face. Sometimes we're mostly together, sometimes we're not. So yeah, they said it's our job with parents. I asked, are you with parents? He said, no, I'm at the house, I told you about them. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. All love, you see? All love. When was the last time a message delivered to him? Last time a message delivered to him was, when was this? 11th of May, 2020. Let me take you back to another. So 16th of May, 2020. There's Mohbad again. King 9. This is Mohbad, my new WhatsApp. Good morning, we spoke on phone. Deciding what song he wants to drop. I think after Malian Anthem, we should go for this featuring Mayor. I don't tell him what to do. Bad jam, but I'll listen to all your playlists. I'll only give you advice to get. King, I'm not shooting Malian Anthem for now. He said he's not shooting that again. He wants to shoot over hype. Send it again. Man, Anthem is good to go. But I think I should just drop what people will connect to easily and what will be a hit out there. You see how it's going, you can see our chat. Oh, let's get to it. This is 4th June 2020. This is 7th of June 2020. This was when I first heard about Mohbad using something. What did I first hear they called it? They said is what did they first call it? What's the name? Ice. Yeah. This is my first time hearing Mohbad using ice. But I didn't really know what ice is. I didn't really know what ice was, I had to find out what's ice. And when I found out that ice is actually crack, I was like, whoa, but I didn't know crack, because I know crack. I know what crack did to people. I'm back in the street in UK. I know what crack did to UK. I know some people that sell crack, I know some people that start taking crack. I know what it's meant to do to their life. But I wasn't angry because at the end of the day, I only signed him, I can only advise him. I wasn't angry, so I called him to advise him, just tell him. Told him about the danger, just try tell him like, yo, listen, this is not good for you, whatever. He did explain that he started taking it with his crackhead friend, that boy, that ice king. Told me he started taking it with his crackhead friend, but I told him, all depends, this is him, thank you for the advice. I advised him, there was no bad blood. I just spoke to him, I was not angry, I have no reason to be angry. He explained, thank you for the advice, I'm very sorry I started it at first. So many pains and stress put me to that, but I will stay out of it. Saying he got into it because of stress back then, and said he would stay out of it. Then, no, but still angry. You can see the relationship is going on. Still send him a song, we spoke. You see, boom, 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 we send him his songs. Yo, WG never sent video, so you can see the chat. This is our relationship. I don't tell him what to do. I don't like force them to do anything. I want the growth. There you go, I can make a short video in the morning and post. I think a song is coming out. This is one more, and we don't have the video yet. So you can see. Yeah, this is very important. This is on the 30th of July 2020. In this chat you can see Mohbad picked his own manager himself. Like, I make music myself, I won't pick your manager, you pick who you're happy to work with. We have in-house manager too. We have like people that will guide your manager and all this stuff, do you understand? But you need whoever you're happy with. I didn't pick his manager, as you can see. And can you please confirm your manager with me again? Said Tunde. Picked Tunde himself. But cool. Going along the line, even after I spoke to him and Tunde together, after he confirmed the pick Tunde, I called him and Tunde together. I'm like, yo, boom, 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 what's up? He was planning to pay Tunde like 20% or whatever, or 25% or something. I said, no. I said, no, bro, 10%. I said 10%, bro, for now. Bro, because I know how it is. I make music myself. So I said 10%, they went with that, 10%. That's one of the things I got involved with them. I said, now, today is the shoe, I'm getting prepared. I have to be there before you. What video is this? Mama? Okay. You can see our relationship anyway. I sent him beats from someone. Boom, 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 boom. On the bath, we speak. He wants to come around. You can see. President, now, where are you? Where are you? This is 16th of November 2020. I'm in hospital now. I'm sick. Good evening. People say Mohbad is scared of hospital. It went 2020. Anyway, now I'm in hospital now. I'm sick. Good evening. I'm like, what's wrong? He said malaria. So I said, what hospital? He said the one at the front of our estate. We'll continue treatment tomorrow. You see? Boom, boom, boom. This is our relationship. Good morning, sir. May God continue to bless you. I got the money. It's all love. It's all love. But here we go now. Mohbad sending me this account. Let's just pay attention to this account anyway. This is Adesanya Justina Olajimoke. Zenith Bank. So there's my account, sir. No, that's not your account. I know that's not your account. Wow. Anyway, I got the money. Thank you, sir. Welcome. Really appreciate, sir. But anyway, WG. Treatment for WG, Malian Satin. Boom, 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 boom. It's all love, it's all love, you can see. Is that what you want to shoot? Or sorry, you want to shoot Malian's anthem? I said, why not sorry? Sorry is the biggest track on your EP, I guess, because I love that track. But as you can see, he said, all right, let's go for that first, then later I will shoot Malian's anthem. As you can see, I always suggested I will shoot sorry. we didn't even shoot Sorry. We shoot Marian's anthem because you understand. I can't force you. I'm not like that. I get it. So going on. Oh, let me go back. Let me go back to that so you can see the date and time we stopped. Last time my message delivered to him was 22nd of December 2020. Now let me go to this number. Good day, sir. This is Mohbad, my new number for call and WhatsApp. Thank you for believing in my craft, King. I will forever be indebted to you. Today makes it a year you announced me as your artist. No one would have done that if not for you. I love you, man. Reading all this now is it's sad, man. Yeah, but in sending this, wow, I was ready, because at that time I'm thinking, what about, I was ready to do a lot for him. Just this message, I was ready, boy. I'm like, let's go. You can see he sent me this account again. Adesanya Justin Olajumoke. There it is. I sent a voice note. No. He said this is account. That's a female name. But okay, maybe it's not. You got the money yet? Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. This is him in Kenya. Please confirm my address. What address to account, please? This account again. He sent me this account again. This is when, before he's been telling me it's his account. And now he said, it's mine. It's my mom's account. I know that's not your mom's account. That's not your mom's name. Well, I think it. I'm sure that's not his mom's name. His mom's name is Abosede or something. Sorry, pardon me if I'm wrong. But I don't know. I'm sure that's not his mom's name. Pardon me if I'm wrong again. This is looking like Wumin's mom's name. I don't know. You guys confirm the name. This is looking like Wumin's mom's. But he said this is my mom's account. Now I'm starting to think, is this even what's happening? Is this even Mohbad? Like, come, let's speak. Yeah, he came. I spoke to him. I told him, like, I can't be sending money to this account. I can't be sending money to this account. I spoke to him. I said everything. He said, okay. I said, go get your account. You understand? Yeah, I can't be putting money in this account. I spoke to him, other stuff. I don't like to really speak about what I don't have evidence about, but I spoke to him. And I don't think I ever put money in that account again.
Not long after, his girl came to me and said it's my fault that Mohbad is sending money to girls. Not in a bad way, remember we were close then. But I just had to give her a reason and say it has to be like that for future when we're doing accounting.
But yeah, you see, this is me and Mohbad conversation. Let's go. He spoke to Naya himself for a video, a deposit. You can see. Let me tell you guys one thing also, yeah. Me and Mohbad, like, our business is plain. Even though we got accountants, we got team, it's plain. You understand? Like, I can't lie. I can't cheat him because everything is open. Do you understand? Like, I can't lie to him that I paid this cameraman 20 million when we paid. That's how label always bump their artist. I don't do that. He knows everything is open, how much I pay for this and that is involved. You understand? Who you want to shoot it. I don't say let this person shoot it. Do you understand? As you can see in our chat, he knows everything. Everything is open. Naya, let's get his account. I'll put the money in there all day long. You get very easy contract. Me and Mohbad have very easy contract. I don't know. Very easy contract. 50-50. This is the first time I'm saying it. 50-50. I pay for anything and everything. And then we split 50-50. Very easy. 4 albums. Don't have to be here forever. 4 albums. Very easy. You can drop it. Singles. Or get. Boom. Yeah, let's go. May God keep blessing you. It's all love at this point. I'm telling you, it's all love. We have a very good relationship. You can see now he's sending his own account. Aloba promise. Yeah, he said this is the list of the shows. You see, you can't lie about anything, you understand? Checking my account now, and please give Tunde's 10%. Or because I think Tunde did mention to me that he has not paid him or something. But yeah, I did say, please give Tunde's 10%. It's very small. You split the money into 10 places. You take 9 and give him 1. That's very small. Told him I gave you £1,350. And like, you know, we have money, we're making money. Mohbad has money, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But anyway, let's go. Sorting out your payment plan. He sent the list of shows. And he replied, he said he will pay Tunde all together. No problem. I said I sent you 2.5 million. They said they got 2.7 and my lati. You know, relationship, love, we can't, you know how it goes, man. Put in your bio, put the link on your bio, you know. You dropped a song, this is probably linked to a song, you know how it goes. You can see about relationship, boom, Naira, I said it's Naira pickup song. He said daddy, alati wale, boom, 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 you know, love, because you read this yourself, it's all love, nothing. You had no issue. You can see it's filling the form, boom, boom, boom. He asked me what song should he drop. I said Black Pure Pure. This is how you can tell that I don't control them, I don't force them in doing what they want to do. You understand? Because we didn't even drop Black People. He dropped it after. He dropped it after he left my music. But anyway, I say it with blind. He asked if he should leave the beats like that. I said it's nice like this, wavy. I heard it like 4 different speakers. I heard it like 4 different speakers. I have time. It's more about, bro, what do you expect? 13th of November 2021. That was when Mohbad got his car. So he bought his Lexus. I was very happy on that day. So yeah, on the 24th of February 2022, the NDLEA incident, I was in Sweden. Let me send you to the Malian group chat. Look at this guy, I came to get me. My brother. That's real. I was in Sweden, I wasn't in Nigeria. But the NDLEA came to they came to Malian house. They took Zino, Shibomi, and others. They were arrested. Mohbad eventually joined them there when they was taking Zino, when Zino that was on cuff. Mohbad had an altercation with the officers. He had a physical altercation with the officers. Yeah, so they took him along with them. I was on the flight coming back home to save them. I had to book my flight.
Hello, kids. So I'm leaving Sweden now. I'm going back to Nigeria today. Right now, I'm at the airport. Leaving Sweden now. Mohbad went live on that duress shortly after he was released.
And while I was having a panic attack, he accused myself and others of live engagement.
Like I'm a bad boy. Now my mama saw I don't really mean it like that from my mind. You mean it, so I don't know these people are behaving on me. They have been doing bad things on me. I went mad into it because of this issue. Now they are trying to kill me. Everybody in the whole world, please help me. If I die, well, Amalia kill me. I beg, if I die like this.
Oh, guys, stop this now. What's wrong with you?
I beg, I never started talk. No worry. They show me they go our house. Oh yeah, call here police. I go anywhere.
Which police? Which police?
Jesus Christ. Ọlọ́run gbà mí o. Jésù ẹ gbà mí o. Ọlọ́run ẹ gbà mí o. Jésù ẹ gbà mí o. Ah, look at all these people, sha. My God will never fuck me up. Never. I'm in Idajo estate. I'm in your state.
So, a couple minutes after accusing him, the guys came to his rescue.
On their way to the hospital, he also accused his girl, Zino, Hemo, a lot of people. He even accused our wives.
I'm fucked up by many people. I don't trust any of you. They are going to the hospital. You two, I don't trust that. She's there too. Cynthia. Cynthia, you know what? Hospital, I will just hospital, yeah. I'm going to the hospital. Where are you dropping me? Go back to Emo, Dino. Gbogbo àwọn Malian music ṣàtúnṣe. My son to well, as you are well. Tunde, Ale Junior, gbogbo wọn pátá Idris, gbogbo wọn pẹ̀lú everybody wọn Malian music ṣàtúnṣe gbogbo ìyàwó wọn everybody.
Shortly after that, while in a vulnerable state of psychosis, he made a statement calling Zino a snitch.
Mo save Zino nínú fídíò yẹn. Àwọn Zino náà snitch ni. Bàbá fi wọ́n sílẹ̀, ọba ní kékeré máa bọ̀ lé. Wípé èmi máa bọ̀ lé o. Ẹni pàwọn yẹn ṣì wà ń bẹ̀, so wọ́n wá ń tweet wípé Zino Lisky. Tata everybody fẹ́ gbé Instagram sọ pé Mohbad Zino Lisky ni. Ó yẹ. So anyway,
when I got back, the next day I got back into Nigeria, I went directly to the hospital. I went to the hospital straight away. When I got there, a lot of things was happening. A lot of things, like I saw Wunmi, obviously. Just because I heard she was the last person with Mohbad in the room, when it ran out, obviously I'm going to question you, but Wunmi is incoherent at this point.
So Adua, Mohbad's brother, and Bode, Mohbad's cousin, confirmed that Wunmi was in the room with Mohbad when Mohbad ran out. Because both of them were chilling in a sitting area, just right outside his room. So they saw him run out. So they confirmed that.
A lot of things was happening outside the hospital. I didn't take it. Well, just remember, Zino still at the cell. Zino still with NDLEA. So I left there. I went to go bail out Zino. So I paid for Mohbad hospital bills and for his CT scan and meds. At that time, I cleared it, but right now I need to know what really happened to him. I don't know what happened. After that incident, Mohbad still stayed in Malian music, went on to drop Ronaldo in May 2022. Remember the incident in February, he dropped Ronaldo in May 2022, dropped Peace in September 2022. But let me go to, I think, what day, if I'm not too sure, is this 2nd of March? Was this 2nd of March, 2022? After the incident, we went to Saka to eat with the whole team, with me, Mohbad, Zino, Emo, Sid, whoever was there. We went to eat, we didn't really know, what am I going to do? I'm going to tell people that Mohbad was having, I didn't really know what to do. We went to eat he apologized to me, everybody. His dad came with a mom to apologize. His dad came to apologize, like leaving the begging of God. I'm like, he's gone, it's not that deep. Mummy came with her mom to apologize. Obviously, I heard he was the last person with Mohbad. And you're not telling me what happened to him. And you understand, obviously, I'm going to be angry at you. So Mummy came with her mom to apologize. Mohbad's mom and Mohbad's dad came together to apologize. You understand? What can I do? Bro, I listened, I forgave him, life moved on. You see in the chat, on the 6th of March 2022, he said, yo, brother, I just recorded this song yesterday. Yes, heard it now. Who made the beat? It's a fancy beat. One of my hot producers. Is it good to go now? Life goes on, nothing. Like, we're good. Do you understand? We're good after that issue he had with NDLEA. Okay, let me have this one. I said, all right. And he said, trying to get myself back. Because, you understand, was not in the right state of mind, like I've been saying. So trying to get myself back, I said, how are you doing? I'm going to shows quickly. Where are you? He said, I'm at my apartment. Yes, I saw it, the Dubai one. So I'm in Dubai. I have a show in Dubai. But that's not need. I have a show in Dubai on the 9th of March. So after the 2nd of March 2022 that we went to eat at Saka, I was already out of Nigeria because the shows are, bro, come on, shows every day. So by 9th of March, I was ready. Before then, I was out of Nigeria, 2022. So you can see he said the Dubai one. And then that's when he said on that 9th of March 2022, he called me. Obviously, I'm in Dubai. Like, I tried to call him too. I don't know what's wrong then. I wanted to tell you something before, but don't want to disturb you because you're traveling. I'm like, oh, tell me please, yo, tell me, bro. And then he said, I feel down and sick about a lot. Would like to see you and talk about it, sir. Just remember this, after that incident of the NDLA, which is on what? On the 24th of February, if I'm not mistaken, 24th of February, 2022, he doesn't really stay at Malian's house anymore. It's like apartments where he doesn't really stay, but he still has his keys. He might send someone to come get stuff, he might come get stuff. But he doesn't really like stay there fully, but he stays in an apartment, we still speak, Yes, obviously he said he feels sick about a lot. He needs to speak to me. I say, okay, maybe when I get back, Abi? He said, yes, sir, and if I can't keep it to myself again, I will call you. Okay, yes, that will be good. Maybe we should fix a phone call tonight and we can talk about it. He said, all right, sir, I'll give you a call. All right, sweet. He said, are you in Dubai already? I said, in 3 hours, I will be. Safe flight, sir. Cool. He said, I should check your IG. Just posted a video, sir. I think I should drop it next. This is after the NDLEA issue where he said those things. You can see, I need the date. Like, we have a very good relationship after that. I'm not going to let him come out to say blah, 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 blah.
So I tried to get him here, did more scans, pay for more meds, went to different hospitals. I tried my best. So when I got back to Nigeria from Dubai, me and Mohbad met up, we spoke on 22nd of March 2022, you can see. We met up, we spoke, it was fine, he told me he was doing okay. But he told me he would like to find a place so he can move. I said, no problem. When you find a place, let me know, we'll arrange it. And that was it. Luckily, I got this video because I was freestyling the song here. 2 days later, I left Nigeria, went to Puerto Rico for the show on the 25th of March 2022. So here I am, 26th of March 2022. Next day, I affirmation. Ask me what I'm doing. To answer to the world. But it's not even my birthday. It's someone's birthday out there. Someone in the world. So why
Tabi, what's up?
Okay, so on the 27th of March 2022, Mohbad's suicide attempt. I was in Puerto Rico for Afro Nation when I got a phone call and message that Mohbad is trying to jump out the window, he's trying to kill himself. I was like, what? Remember, he's already made video of, this is when everything was serious, when they called me that he wanted to kill himself. I'm like, no, I called him, I had to record it. I'm like, yo, Mohbad, what's happening? What's this I'm hearing? Blah, 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 you're king. I was just telling him, why do you want to kill yourself? If it's your dad, your mom, or your girl stressing you, leave there. Tell them you're coming back. You know, anything for him not to kill himself. I'm telling him, like, you're king on your own. I told him all this stuff. I told him, so what if you die now? What do you want people to say? After you've made a video that if you die, then show Naira Marley. He apologized. He said, sorry. I said, no. I'm not angry. I already forgave you. The only reason this is coming back up is because you want to kill yourself again.
So, on sọ pé o feel bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mọ́, but 1 hour ago ló ń feel bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé 1 hour ago ló ń feel bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé o fẹ́ parẹ́. And ó dẹ̀ ṣe surround rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú same thing tó ń stress ẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún ọmọ pé last time ó ṣe fídíò sí pé if anything happen to you, Naira Marley àti Malian team ni. Nísìnyí o fẹ́ parẹ́. Ìwọ náà wò tó.
That's me feel bad, but me feel bad more is just me can take my money for explain for you.
Feel bad ni pé o fẹ́ parẹ́ mọ́ báyìí.
No, me feel
But that's like 1 hour ago ló ń feel bẹ́ẹ̀ tó tirẹ̀ mọ́ níyàrá tó bá parẹ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ sìn kí ló bọ́ máa sọ ọgbà tó ti ṣe fídíò rẹ̀ di pé Naira Marley fẹ́ pa ẹni mò ń béèrè. Nígbà bá ṣe tó bá parẹ́ níbẹ̀ yẹn sìn tó tirẹ̀ mọ́ kí ló bọ́ òun yẹn máa sọ. I'm just looking after you. I need to look after you. I told you already. You shouldn't be stressed. Be free. Do what you want to do and say what you want to say. Say it. If you say Wumi, Oya ma lole, daddy me ma ti wa ejo. Kini kan, say it. Be free. You wouldn't feel like. I know you said you feel like nobody likes you, Abi. But if you can't feel like, if you feel like nobody likes you, it's not a reason for you to kill yourself. Do you get? Because they're not showing it that they don't like you. Because they don't who are there pé wọ́n like it here. You walk off feel bad, you know, trust it. It's something in the back of your mind lati erase.
Yeah, I'm trying to erase it. I'm trying people say they know. I'm trying to share it move along, but I don't go around.
But you're locking yourself. Now you're locking yourself.
I explained all this to him. That immediately he said sorry, he apologized, boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
You need stress the more about wine. Don't free your mind. Surround yourself with who you want to surround yourself with. Do you know? And talk about feel I'm going to get aware no because so I go look for the sort of money go joke for friend dollar. When I get that no for one let lost on zino lost in yara. I'm going to mingle pẹ̀lú zino small. Kò sí pé yàn care na, kò sí pé yàn like it. Tí yàn bá care yàn ní pé ẹ báyìí na. Nobody wants you dead. You're better off alive than dead. Nobody wants you dead. You can't go back kò ní help anything. Like everything worse ni. Everything worse. Why you to parẹ́ ṣe mo bi tó ń lọ straight away? Hell fire, hell. Ó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ yà. Àbó mọ̀ kọ́ lọ́n sọ pé tó bá parẹ́ ìyà tó máa fi jẹ. Ó mọ̀. Wọ́n kọ́ ló dáre o. Tó bá parẹ́ you're going to hell. The pain there is more than the pain you're going through here.
Immediately after I got off the phone to him, I got the address. I called Zino Emo in people from Malian house. You can see the date and time. They have videos too. You can see the date and time of. You can see everything is important. The date and time is very important in all these things, so you can see. I called Zeno. I told them, oh, listen, what happened? You guys listen. Just be easy. You might be paranoid. You guys be easy. Go there, pick him up, make him happy, whatever. So they went there. He went with them. His dad even went with them. So Zeno had a show. He went with the show with Zeno. Zeno had the club show. He went to the show with Zeno. It was fun. It was okay. Everybody said it's okay. They went to eat after. They sent me video. The vibes in. And they went back home. He was eating again with them. You can see there was a video because they sent it to me like to make sure it's okay. They can't see what's wrong. They sent it to me. Then I'm like, okay, if you guys can't see what's wrong with him, just let him stay there with you guys. Let him sleep since it's okay now. Then they're telling me Mohbad said he wants to go. That his phone is ringing. He wants to go. Obviously, someone that's going for that, I can't tell them to hold him down. I can't tell them to stay there. They have to let him go. It's his dad now. It's his parents. So he left.
So on the 29th of March, here I am on the flight. 2022. Next day after, he was chilling with Zeno. I am on the flight coming back to Nigeria. As soon as I got back, me and Mohbad met up. He came with Maisi.
Why would they be? They may be last on snap on search snapper. You know, jacking and you know, thinking what look better. You know, July. You know, just to ṣe tán báyìí. Ìkan ló máa jẹ́ kó wọ́n pé kò ṣe tán ọba lọ sniper. Wọ́n ṣàṣẹ náà tí àwọn olùkíní. Wọ́n ṣàṣẹ lórí fóònù, wọ́n jálẹ̀kùn. Nǹkan ṣáà ló máa rò débẹ̀. How far is it? I'm just do meeting with Mohbad quick. Just please. So you can feel free.
This video is too long, so I'm gonna cut to some important parts because of time.
I'm saying about all the thing, you just need to. As you two, you're saying you need to be fine. That means you think you're not fine. Most of everybody say you're not fine. Like who? Your dad said you're not okay, mom said you're not okay. Why? What did they say that said you're not okay? Kilo shit up for. Okay, báwo no one should have a mission for wow. You need your time. You're fine now. You don't think you're okay, my bad. Why do you not think you're okay? Oh, you want to switch you? I'm not deciding my point because number one, listen. Inshallah, if I'm going to get me, no one open for me. My head, like, no one open to my soul. I feel like I be king. Listen, but I feel like, oh, yo, I want this, that. I feel like, tell me, exactly. And to buy this first, my new company was like, okay, boya, kini. Because she had advice in, because what about so, we know the one the finance say. So yeah, even Mr. My fellow, I let's see become my Bible man so. We can't show one. Once she my advice and go, Naira, you man on bed, you must be argue kini. You first talk to everybody. So yeah, but my is so many times I could have okay. Okay, for example now, yeah, man go for example. You can go through whatever happened last time. Where you done a video saying Naira Marley want to kill you, everybody want to kill you, but get to everybody's name. I call to Naira Marley who to with you back. Cool. And then the other day, listen, don't snatch a sniper, you know. Tell him to share or tie. Bye. What do you think? Kí ló bá aráàlú mọ̀ sọ? But the first snap, the first snap, the first commit suicide. If anything happened to you there, what do you think everybody will say? Ta ló sọ fún? Kí ló sọ fún kó ṣe? A lot of war? You have a lot of war? A ṣe test náà, mo sanwó oríṣiríṣi test méjì. Yóò sọ kìnnìkìnnì, àbí tó bá tún ju kí ló sọ kó sọ fún mindset ọ̀gbọ̀n. Báwo ló ṣe understand? Wọ́n sọ pé o sì kan wọ́n accept pé ara ò yá. How do you understand? You're thinking too much. That's what I'm telling you though. But they don't know so near open. I feel because you're restless, you need to rest for more and chill and stop thinking. I want to take up because you're a friend. I'm not lati. I'm like, I don't even know what to do. I'm just thinking too much. But you going to the suicide side, like feeling like that, it's bad. It's something that should be sad. I'm so silly with this. It's upsetting, and it's upsetting. Bro. It's really upsetting. But I don't think suicide is the answer. Like, and you know me, so you know me. I'm not. But it's just more stressful on me because if you're really feeling suicide, it's bad. You need full help. Apart from if anything happened to you now, you're going to go, oh, this up now I have pound, then to bash on what Naira more. So that will drop it. That you're not very explain for. I'm very explain for. Okay, mental breakdown don't go through. I don't want you to even think about that. Most of them gbogbo yẹn ti lọ. Wọ́n á tẹ̀lé tó padà because of your parents. So why are they mad? Because you wanted to commit suicide now, which means everything you said then, okay, that's the only time the only everything you said they come back again because like you go that meet. Oh, she video come on back one then to match and it's going through mental breakdown as well, do you understand? But mommy was it Oshalaisi? No on phone okay. Mommy and everybody in Payokaki. Mommy and everybody in Payokaki, that's depression, that's sadness. For me, I'm trying to get help. I'm trying to even see if it's a visa we can do. So, but the way you're moving to is very hard for us to send you somewhere where there's no one that can be around, do you understand? And it's sad, me, but not much, but my things are very sure, I'm back with lyrics. Explain it. Yeah, so we won't be able to help. All the thing that's wrong with that you can't explain. If we don't know, we won't be able to help, which is okay. And it's your mom and dad that understands. But it wouldn't have been a problem if you have said it's them that want to kill you. And then, because it's them that understand, and then they take you. Me, I wouldn't be stressed. I would let them happily take you. Do you understand? The only reason I have to look after myself and cover my house is because my name is at risk and I have to know where they're taking you, what you're going to do, are you okay? Because I don't want them to take you there and then the stress. Everybody's saying, oh, wow, okay, the stress. Now you have a chance to do something bad for yourself there. Really, like I said from the beginning, it's not about anything. It's not even about the video you don't go anything. It's about your health. You just need to be okay. It's the same thing I've been saying since. Health, it's about what? Okay. And you're nice. Everybody is nice. It seems nice to back to normal. Go by here or calm down by. Oh, calm down by now. Go by. The body was what up? When this one happened? Okay. That's why I cannot be alone. We go. Continue to only have Ben. Mo pe won ni gbogbo tó sọ pé bàbá mi pé ìwọ ko wá Ben be. Mo kàn máa jẹ láyà, kàn máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kíni ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kan so wá help them, kàn máa ọbẹ̀ sọ. Kàn máa jẹ́ kó wá sáré, kó máa rí gbogbo wọn sì máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní sáré. Kó ní kó wá náà stick ko gbé jáde. Láì gbogbo yín jáde lọ jẹun. Ẹ wà okay bro. Mo ní kó ṣe nice thing that way ni. You get on there any pressure. You understand? Everything that's wrong with you is in your own mind. When I say I will go to that, you know, to share, so far, like, I know my dad doesn't understand, so it might be more than our own power. That means we won't be able to help. But the only thing is, it would have been easier if my name is not at risk. You know, I'm coming from. It would have been more easier that way. But my name is not at risk. So you understand? I don't have to love. I don't know because this is from nowhere.
2 hours after speaking to Mohbad and my say, I went to his room to speak to his dad and mom.
It's okay.
There's some part of this video how online. Some people said his mom was on her knees begging. That's not true.
And when looking at the stature, everything changed. One prayer, every prayer to me, she sign. And I'm peaceful. Taking my church first. When you get friend there, come out of the way. I'm peaceful. What people go to sorry, direct sorry. I got it. Not able to tired of that preaching. So now stop. The mission badly is sorry. People fight you know down Jeffrey. Because money is here. I think the money people. I want to see me following them now. So soon. Look up for me. Next thing to me, I must suffer. But at the end, get one. Because she is still with me. So then the anything we pass on you. So put me as to read and continue to the morning with you because we don't like the money. So we will go to you. So to your place, we will do it. We will go together, but we want to have so sad. We should do it. We should do it. We learn him. We will be able to do it. See local. We died and go. After 2 hours, we were so done. After joining Shuri, but later on, we could go on boys. Boys in one day, so we were very big. We tell you, and but ṣe tó ìgbà yín mo lè gbé àwọn skeleton body wọ́n wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀fọ́ ṣùgbọ́n láì pé ọ̀gá ìlú mi ìlú mi tó sí ṣùgbọ́n àwọn adé náà wọ́n pè ọgá òsèlè ṣé wọ́n ní aláwọ̀ wọn 25 days ètò ìbọ̀sọ̀ rẹ̀ ojú mi nìkan ní ètò because àwọn ìgbé mi wà ní tó sí mi pé pé àjọ pọ́lísì nìkan ní ẹgbẹ́ wọn pè fún mi ìgbè mi bí wọ́n ṣe bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù wọ́n ní pé àwọn ìgbà ìdíyẹ ṣe kò díẹ̀ this test they mom not born with us okay I told us we go give food down test only couple down no man no treat you this was complaining of big pains I just want to be too can you cause it to because I don't do it only the sense of it only the sense of it only for 5 days the motion alarm only for pay the doctor ní àwọn tí ọ̀tọ́ ìfẹsílẹ̀ ìsìnkú ló ń pè wọ́n okay àwọn ẹgbẹ́ máa dé láàárọ̀ jẹ́ kí n dúró kí n ṣàlàyé fún ẹ. So ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo rò pé mo tún lè ṣe ọ̀sìn nínú ẹ̀sìn mo ṣe ní gbogbo.
Mo sọ fẹ́ tì náà nínú ọba sọ ìbéèrè tẹ́sí ni wọ́n kọ́ bọ́ aṣọ dáadáa. Mo sọ pé mo gbọ́ fẹ̀nà náà tẹ̀lé tì. Àtúntò mi ò tún wá mọ ohun kankan pé yọ́nà ń perform ó tún gbàgbé lyrics ó ń gbàgbé phone password nǹkan mọ account details rẹ̀ ó wà lórí títì ó wà lórí phone gbà tí ò mọ password yẹn tó bá tí àti ọmọ plug ọmọ wà pé tó bá lè rí fóònù ẹ̀ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ tó ń sọ pé ńgbà tó wà lórí títì tó ń yan èèyàn tó ń sáré tẹ̀lé wọ́n wà paranoid. To cut the long story short, his parents are taking him, and I'm just making sure that they're aware of his situation and that he's safe.
You can come with you guys, but then again, I'm not lati. Me, I was going to Dalaba already because I lost apartment in that Aton, or one or two Aton, Motoman like no normal. Because for that, I know my car because I don't know. I will give a telling you, he really wants to go. That's why he decided that he wants to go that church. People will tell him, no, my plan. So I said, okay, that's very fine. Only before I read about what's wrong with me, I think resting and not thinking too much. Or advise myself from resting and not. The only reason I told him to come is because I don't know how he's going to be stressed where he's going. You know, this is the same. If he's stressful, you don't need nothing. You don't need to think about anything. You don't need to think about only that one got in my way. Only that one go you don't need all of that. If you tell you to go on where you are the king of your own word, you say what you want. Even trying to go very low, but no, you tell them you want to go, you want to rest. Or you decide you want to go, but you just need to rest. Don't think too much. Don't think for anybody. My work, what I want to my work, what the everything that you want to share, you understand? I told you the main thing. I don't want to repeat myself, but just if you're going with them now, just rest. And please, I don't think I really want too much people advising me. When I mean like advising, just saying too much things. It's all about what he says you have to reply to. I don't want people saying something to you like, you're not okay. Because I'm telling him that it's okay. Even though it's not okay, but he's believing that it's not okay because of everybody saying, well, what is going on? Okay. But inshallah, okay. So, yeah, open lati rest, man. And you have to keep your eyes on him, not in a way that him have to jar in a way, but just your eyes on him so he's safe. Not that it's phone low and saying, okay, report when you go from my man and lost him go you can come and send the snap. You understand? It's all about his safety. And then you come out like this snap when you come. Now we heard I will go online and get my body to protect. The only reason I'm premium is why no one thing more because there's no way to money so I need them to check to spend time, not even check on the need. They don't go there and go to my jalaya. Just go there like his normal friend at the water, so the water, the guy there too for the father. Again, if I watch jalaya and go wash. I don't care about everybody she want to because he's paranoid. He's paranoid right now. So you just need not to be paranoid and rest. Not bad. Please rest. You're online now, you don't have access to you don't have your bank card, you don't have 30th of May, Malian's Day, So that was the day I released my album. That was my listening party. Mohbad came, performed the song that featured him on.
That's why a bitch call me daddy. That's why a
That's why your bitch come inside. So I thought I won't forget. But I think I'm not interested. Oh, maybe my back can't maybe my back can't mind. Yeah, come on, look back. Nobody can stop me. I'm getting money. You know I can't do without you. Go.
Mohbad dropped Ronaldo under Malian music. So you can see this is 27th of July 2022. So you can see the relationship now of him and Zeno. There's no issue whatsoever. After that issue that he said Zeno's a snitch, not to speak for Zeno, Zeno was still in the cell. I don't know what I meant by snitch, but there was obviously there's no way Zeno would have snitched. There's no snitch there. He was just going through it. Do you understand?
Moving forward, on the 3rd of September 2022, Mohbad dropped his video.
10th of September 2022, Mohbad said, when should I come see you? When was this? 10th of September 2022. Mohbad said, when should I come see you? I replied, whenever you want, bro. Hope no problem. This boy in the house, this you can see that he does not stay with us anymore since that scene. I'm like, open up. He said, I thought, sir, for me seeing you, you know now, belong. And I know, we had good time. Obviously, I know. Okay, I said, okay, oh yeah, now we did studio or house all day long. Bam, bam, bam. He said, I'll pull up on her if I feel safe. Yes, you are safe because he's got all these thoughts in his head now. So, this is what you can see, nothing to hide. This is 10th September 2022. I said, Mohbad, do the math of all the money you have with me, and it's... See, because I changed my phone, you know, it's somehow, you see, I sent him, there's nothing to hide. You see all the money I have, all the money he has with me, clean, open, I can't hide anything from him.
As you can see in the group chat, Mohbad's project, after all the NDLA issue, after the suicide attempt, after he blamed Zeno for snitching, you can see it was all perfectly fine. So, on the 4th of October 2022, Mohbad sent the screenshot for featuring please confirm payment. I said, Mohbad, that's not your job to be collecting payment or talking to someone for feature. Let Tunde do it. It's not right for the artist to be speaking on their own behalf. Mohbad replied, please, Tunde has not been doing anything for long and I'm tired. I've made up my mind I'll be doing it by myself, sir. I said, you can't do it by yourself, bro. It's not about your mind. If you don't want to work with Tunde again, another manager can be speaking to you. But you can't be doing it by yourself. Gabs, my manager, said she can help as well. Mohbad replied, I will look for someone that's capable and bring to you. Okay. In the meantime, you can give people my email, Gabs said. Let us go. Alright, no problem. Mohbad said, alright, no problem. No problem for you. Then, when Tunde came into the chat, Tunde said, bro, what rubbish are you saying? If they approach you for shows, have you ever directed them to me? Have you ever told me to do anything and I don't deliver? Mohbad replied, so you're the madman. Tunde, just talk now. That is the percentage I'm collecting by government. Tunde, you know go better for you. Mohbad, let's go back to the norm. What have you done? Tunde got to punish you. Mohbad, oh, no cool. So they're having an argument here. Tunde, shut the fuck up, bro. Don't you prefer working with your girl? Mohbad, who they give you liver go die in here, bro. Bro, being calm for you doesn't mean I'm stupid, okay? Mohbad said, fuck you. Tunde said, really? Shame for start time. Tunde said, I'll not be like you, will get the control. Shudi said, waiting the cause of this rubbish. Mohbad or Omar said, better fight for your life, replying to Tunde. Mohbad typed and Pelu edit. Tunde said, you think saying a life with death? Shudi came in again. What type of disrespect is this? Mohbad typed and again, you can see deleted. Tunde said, bro, you don't get mind me. Why you dey delete chats? Mohbad replied to Tunde, my life is better than yours, so work on yourself. Tunde, now everybody where they work with you know sabi work. Mohbad, when we see, please say this in my presence. Tunde better change your ways too. Mohbad said bye for now. Tunde, go I pity you, I swear down. Mohbad said pity yourself, you have no life. Tunde, you go there. See person where talk. Bye. Mohbad said you pained. The last time I checked, I'm paying. It's true. Mohbad is paying. That's his manager. I don't pay him. Mohbad pay me. Tunde said pay. Fool, you don't forget say you dey hold me money. Send my money, bro. Mohbad, no be your fault. Laugh like again on my roof. Tunde, Mumu shall pay me off. The laugh. Mohbad said anyway, peace, Sha. I came back online. I'm like, oh wow, so you guys have a problem with each other since or what? You guys are here again about what? I didn't even know that. This is my first time seeing them fighting. This is my first time ever hearing them having a problem.
Anyway, remember the last message I sent in the group chat was 12:08. The last message I sent in the group chat was 12:08. Done, peace. Midnight. This is a screenshot from Tunde, Mohbad's manager. Same night, Mohbad started calling Tunde. Calling him. He sent him a message, he later deleted it. He sent a message telling him to come outside. Come and repeat it in my face. Fret on my roof. He deleted it after. He sent him a message, he came to fight. He came to the studio. This time, Tunde has gone to football. Tunde is not at home. So he came into the studio, he met me in the studio, he came with some boys. The boys did not greet me. Mohbad, yo, what's up? Mohbad said, I'm a winner. He was intoxicated, I'm not gonna lie on him. Yeah. I can smell his breath, alcohol. He said, I'm a winner. I'm like, who? He said, Tunde. I said, come on, man. Just let him go, just sack him. Don't just pick another manager. That will hurt him more. Understand? You don't need him. Just sack him. That will hurt him more. He said, okay. Boom. I'm like, cool. Cool. Next time, Mohbad went outside.
I know Tunde is going to kick ball, not knowing Mohbad will be waiting for him outside, calling him to come out. Unfortunately, they saw each other. They had a fight. Someone went to the studio to get me. I came outside. I stopped the fight. I can see Mohbad is clearly intoxicated. But all I can do is stop the fight. I got him in the car. He left.
So yeah, the fight, I feel like the situation was used as a label termination escape plan. After the fight between Mohbad and his manager, a series of tweets went out online accusing me, who has no involvement in the dispute. We suspect Mohbad had given access to someone to fabricate the story.
This tweet said, I informed Naira Marley on the Malian WhatsApp group chat of my intention to change my manager. That's a lie. You can see the WhatsApp group chat. I told him he could change the manager. That's a lie.
And then he said, just because I want to change my manager, which is their brother, see what they did to me at Malian's house. You see, I told you this is not Mohbad typing. Mohbad, clearly we have a very good relationship. Mohbad knows my brother. Mohbad knows Tunde is not my brother. But let me tell you how they're trying to make it sound sweet. Because I said Tunde Fashola and brother me. My brother is Shudi Babatunde Fashola. But Mohbad knows the difference between his manager and my brother. You said I had the meeting clear-headed and without any drug influence too. One meeting. There was no meeting. You can see in the group chat. There was no meeting. Nobody planned the meeting. You came. He said everything he said on the live video is blatantly lie. This isn't the first time. The last video was made out to look like I was high or overreacting. My life is being severely threatened. So let's go to this. He said everything I said. They're saying that is me. So I went on live after some tweets he tweeted. I went on live to explain that that's not what happened. So I explained myself. Yes, immediately after Mohbad came to Malian's house, immediately after that fight with him and his manager, and he went on Twitter to tweet some things from his Twitter account, and I saw it. I messaged him saying, "You are not picking, bro. You can see my calls. I'm sure you are sober now. You have no reason not to pick up or not to join the live because you took it to the public. You are online now, pick up. Because I don't know why you like making up stories on me. You said I told them to beat you, or you've been hacked. At least you know the truth. Even if you were super high, you know I was protecting you. Because I believe he was super high on that night he came. But it's okay. Well, on the 7th of October 2022, next day, we got a letter of termination from Mohbad's lawyer saying he wants to leave and that they also want to see the payment log. But remember, I don't hide nothing from Mohbad, His payment is there, the log is there, nothing. You can't lie about anything, do you understand? Even before the argument with him and manager in our last chat, out of nowhere, I sent you how much I have for you. I can't lie about this thing. With money, me and Mohbad never actually had issue with money. So it's okay. They asked for this. Normally, I'm not even meant to answer them. I'm meant to be like, Mohbad, you're still Malian music. You can't leave, you're signed there. Even though all those lies, I'm not meant to let him go. But it's too much, man. It's too much. It's not the only artist at this point, you get. So I was just thinking, after I let him go, I'm like, cool, you understand? I make music myself, I understand. If you're not happy anymore, understand. Even though I've invested so much money and obviously no one want to invest and lose, but I'm a bigger person. I remember I'm a musician myself and I'm killing it. I'm killing everywhere, you understand? And I still got other artists to concentrate on. And bro, the money is there and everything is there, but that's minor. I just take it as God used me to get him to where he needs to be. Cool. I let him go. His lawyer asked for the logs. We sent the logs to them. We sent the payment logs for you to see that, look, everything. Not long after that, in December 2022, Mohbad withdrew, took $72,000 from a DSP partner. But you need to understand, this money now is, we have a relationship or very close. Me, because he left Malian music, it doesn't mean I want to see him so far. I don't even want it to look like he left Malian music and he has nothing. Even though, do you understand? Even though I'm meant to be harsh, but I don't want it to look like he left Malian music with nothing. Because, like, you understand, bro, at the end of the day, he made money, do you get? And, but the problem is all this money that he took is not his. So, some of his royalty payment, we have to hold it. We hold it till he recoup the money he took. So like, remember after that money, $72,000 he took, we never heard from his lawyer, they stopped replying. Yeah, that's Malian music communicating with Mohbad That was like the last time. But on the 12th of May 2023, I heard Mohbad is taking the distributor to court for copyright and infringement. They're in court. They're dealing with that. The lawyers are dealing with that. So that's the distributors, nothing to do with Malian music. No case with Mohbad and Malian music in court. We understood each other. My last time, don't forget, the last time I saw Mohbad was on the 4th of October 2022. The disagreement with him and his manager. That was my last time ever seeing Mohbad. 4th of October 2022.
So even after the NDLEA issue, the attempted suicide, the fight with his former manager, the lawsuit to the distributor, the termination letter, the situation with him and Sam Larry, even after all of this, Mohbad's still telling people he wants to come and apologize. But I didn't know he's going to die. If I knew, I would have probably let him come. But it was just too much for me at that moment.
Fast forward to September 12, 2023, when I heard Mohbad passed away. What is it? They said he died on September 12, 2023, according to Google, his Instagram, his Twitter. That was very sad. Very, very sad. September 12, 2023. EJekaGboOoto. But it was sad, it was so sad. I was not in Nigeria. I went to Amsterdam, where I traveled to Amsterdam. I'll show you videos with time and date. With the guys.
Like, this is my boyfriend. But you already know this is my boyfriend.
Nice.
We didn't know you that much count.
Live in Amsterdam.
I already told you this is my boyfriend.
Who's outside? Members.
I already told her. Like,
Dutch lines.
This is my man.
Yes.
Yes!
Who's your man? I'm your man.
And also to see the family. My main reason traveling out of Nigeria, I wanted to spend time with my kids. And you can see I surprised them nicely. And also to shoot Abanaconda with Zinoliski, which is why Zinoliski was out of Nigeria too. So the plan was to shoot a video and also for me to see my kids. So I was not in Nigeria. I saw my kids, and after I went to meet Zino. Now let me just gist you guys how it happened. So Zino was in what's the name of this country? Yeah, Zino was in Montenegro.
Zino, we're waiting for you.
I was in Europe somewhere. So we're meant to link up. We've been trying to link up. I'm doing my thing, I'm doing my thing. The day we linked up, I drove, took a flight, and after I drove from there from somewhere in Europe to Montenegro. It was so long to find Zino. We eventually found Zino in his hotel. We got to him. He was so happy. See him, this guy hasn't eaten. He doesn't know how to eat and both food like that. He doesn't know how to eat all this food. So we saw him, he was so happy. He was so happy. I'm happy. He jumped. We're like, yo, are you hungry? He said, yeah. Okay, get in the car. Let's go eat. He said he's been hungry since. I'm like, don't worry, I know what you'll be able to eat. I know, don't worry. He said, no, not burger, not this. I said, no, don't worry. Took him, we went to eat fried fish. went to eat fish, bought fish, whatever. As soon as we got there, we ordered food, they brought the food. Someone among us said, Mohbad is dead. I looked at him, I said, it's a lie, man, he wants to blow again. Exactly what I said, wallahi. I said, it's a lie, he wants to blow again, man. I don't know. I don't even bother. Zeno looked at me straight away and said, come on, your mom, come on, my soul. Like, people should know what they'll be saying now. I'm like, come on, man, people know we're not in Nigeria, obviously. Bro, I just said people know we're not in Nigeria. I went on Instagram, I can see Instablog saying Mohbad died of ear infection. Okay, I'm like, ear infection? All of us saying, is it dead? I'm like, they're lying, man. Ear infection, it's lying. How can you die of ear infection? I'm still saying that. Twitter, boom, boom, boom. Naira Marley, finally, you've killed him. What? Is it a joke? Is it dead for real? But immediately, I'm saying they started posting videos from the NDLEA incident. They started posting videos from the fight he had with, on the 4th of October 2022, he had with his manager. They started posting videos from them. Why? I don't understand. Is that what killed him? You said he died on the 12th of September 2023. You're posting videos, so I can see already that there's someone paying the blogs to try to change the narrative from early. I'm like, what's happening here? And the public, really, they're falling for it. I wasn't in the country. I can show you my passport stamp, and when I got back to Nigeria, everything. Someone even saw us after we. Let me not jump the story. So we're still in the restaurant. They're blaming me. Everything cool. Jump in the car. Let's go. We're going to Amsterdam because that was the plan to shoot the video anyway. But now we can't even shoot the video. But we still need to go. So we went to Amsterdam. Can't never have fun anymore. Can't even shoot a video. Just chilling. Not even chilling, just, it was upsetting, sad. We didn't even have time to mourn Mohbad properly because of people blaming us for what we didn't do. So I didn't really get time to mourn him properly. Sometimes I try to, even when I'm mourning him, there's a message of saying I killed him. I didn't even get, it was sad. I'm trying to mourn him. I didn't get to mourn him properly. Yeah, they're posting old videos to try and make it look like, but if we're in a working country, they're going to arrest everybody that was in the house with him in the last 24 hours, 48 hours. They have no reason to arrest me, mate. Mate, I don't understand. I was not in the country, I was out of the country. You can see with the stamps, you can see with the videos, I have videos. I have lots of things. But well, that was it. From then it got serious. Sam Larry video came out. That video came out, that video was Sam Larry and Mohbad. Wow. My first time seeing that video was when we all saw the video. I'm like, what the hell? What's this? But I wasn't fast to judge like everybody. I knew that video was not on that day because Sam Larry was not in Nigeria too. Sam Larry traveled out of Nigeria. He was in Dubai and Kenya or all these countries. Then that's what made me ask questions. Normally I was already angry, like, what? I didn't know about it. That's what made me ask questions, like, Sam Larry, what's up? He said nothing happened, he just saw him, he was explaining something. He said he saw him, someone told him he was there. He went there. I don't want to speak for him, but I'm just saying. He said he went there and he saw him, he said he wants to collect his money. He said he tapped the chair. He said I didn't touch him. I looked at the video again, said it, I'm like, he didn't touch him for real, but I can already see they're posting my videos. So I'm thinking, why are they posting Sam Larry? Why are they posting this video now too? This is not, did he die there? Did what? I mean, what? That's not what killed him. So I have to ask questions. I'm like, okay, what happened? He sent me a recording of Emerson's Zlatan. And Zlatan explaining what happened to him. Like, it did not happen. It didn't touch him. Even Zlatan was like, thank you for listening to me. Like, it did not touch him. They went to eat after. He showed me video of them eating after. I'm like, So you guys are after. So what happened? He said, no, I should look at the video properly. It looks like a setup. Why are they releasing the video now? Like, they're shooting a video. Why don't they ask the cameraman to release the video? Or why don't all the people there come to be witness for Mohbad? I'm like, witness for Mohbad for what? He said, yeah, the police invited him. I'm like, telling me the police invited him. He went straight away. He wrote statement. Mohbad said they broke the camera. And Sam Larry said he did not. He should bring the camera. They called Mohbad to bring the camera, bring Zlatan, bring all the people at the video shoot. He didn't come. Sam Larry kept going back to the place because they kept telling him to come. And eventually, he said he wrote a petition that Mohbad is lying on him. He wrote a counter petition. And checking everything, he was not lying. He did write a counter petition. And Mohbad did not come. The women did not come. So I'm thinking, let me see. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This is premeditated. Let me tell you why it's premeditated. Because Mohbad said in a video that after I die, is this what you guys want to be posting? Is this what you want to be posting? You can hear the video. You can hear the video for yourself. This is video. This is a voice recording between Mohbad and his girl.
Maybe it's my other WhatsApp that we share the same iCloud with. Me, I'm not feeling okay in my life again. Okay, I'm coming. Family, war. Family, cooling. No more. I swear to my living God. You won't have to say me, do a wild hospital. You won't have to say me. You don't know anything. I swear you don't know anything. I swear to my living God. Me, ever since I've gone to the end of my life, I've been fucked up. Also, my thing for I'm wishing I'm forever. You will regret life to live. One night, I like to think of my machine and it's about coke. Because anything my wife will regret the whole life. Will regret the whole life. I swear to my living God. I know you will not say anything now. You know how to go and call my mom and to make her sad, Abby. Don't worry. You think I will forget everything? Where's my phone? You can't talk. Where's my other phone? Where's my phone now? Talk now.
It is not your phone. My stores are dead. So.
Where's my other phone? Yes, let me open the phone. Let's prepare the phone. Where is my other phone? Where is my old WhatsApp? We share the same iCloud with me and you, Abby. But on the WhatsApp, we share love. Where is my line? Where is everything? You want to post after Abby? To put on Abby, my post conversation, but to post Abby. Oh, more concon. You need to move pay like from what move pay for. One is moving pay. My worry me. Oh, more concon. You want to move family. One light and light. To buy a better shit tele. As in jello. It really might be shaking. One light and I swear to my living God. One light I will never be shaking. I want to go. Nípa máa ṣe aṣọ tí mo ní pé mi ò wọ̀ ìyá ẹ̀ ó lọ gbé sí mi lórí ó fẹ́ pa mí ìṣayé ẹ̀ fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ogun fẹ́ pa ẹ̀ nì ó fẹ́ ṣe orí burúkú ni má wọrí náà má wọrí ó fẹ́ ṣàpá mi àbí ìwọ tí wàá kú lẹ́yìn gbogbo ayé pátápátá ìwọ ṣàlùpá mi sí wàhálà.
Yeah, this is a video of Mohbad accusing his girl. You can see yourself. But guess what? Straight after they played this video to Wunmi Mohbad's girl, look what she said.
Of course, yes. So regarding that voice recording, it's something that is really, really sad because let me just say, like those moments were his vulnerable moments. Do you understand? That was after the NDLA attack, and that day was on my birthday, 2022. Yes, on my birthday, 2022, April 29. I was in the hospital because after the NDLA issue, he was paranoid. He was living in fear. Like it got worse to the extent that we went to the psychiatric hospital because he became a shadow of himself. He doesn't see himself as the Mohbad that everybody see him as. Do you understand? He forgot, like he forgot, he doesn't even know his songs, the song that he released himself.
I know depression is real, suicide is real, mental health is real. This is why I've been trying to get him help. But when he was blaming Naira Marley and the Malians music, he's okay. But when he's blaming others, he's mad. And I've also paid for scans, got him treatment, just trying to make sure he's okay.
Yeah, I've already warned everybody. I've never sent nobody to bully him. I've never bullied him. I've warned everybody to leave. I don't want his name next to my name when he left, you understand? So I have no reason but to believe Sam Larry. After Mohbad died shortly, fake Snapchat posted I was dancing. That's not my Snapchat. All of a sudden, people don't know my Snapchat again. That's not my Snapchat. That's a whole video of mine promoting my music video. And they posted it. Look at the Snapchat. I posted it. Look at my Snapchat. Similar, but look at the score. It's not the same. Yeah. So Mohbad passed away on the 12th of September 2023. On 16th of September 2023, we don't even know what killed Mohbad. Let me say this. We don't know what killed him. We're still looking for justice. They have not even buried him yet. Everybody is like, understand, everybody is sad. He died on the 12th of September 2023. On the 16th of September 2023, 4 days after, look at this. They posted on Mohbad's page, and on his Instagram page, and on his X account. Let's go. We appreciate the outpouring of love from the general public following the passing of Mohbad. The circumstances surrounding his death are truly painful, and we are hoping to provide any cooperation necessary to the authorities to carry out any investigations. Right now, we are focused on making sure the legacy of Mohbad lives on and is remembered as he was in his final months. Free, strong, and fighting for his future. Before his passing, Mohbad was in court to retrieve the majority of his songs and unpaid royalties which were wrongfully held by Malian Music. He died 4 days ago. I don't even know what to do. But anyway, let me continue. This is not true. Mohbad was in court to retrieve the majority of his songs and unpaid royalties which were wrongfully held by Malian Music. This is not true. This is wrongfully held by Malian Music, but let me continue. We will continue the fight to retrieve his catalog and unpaid royalties so that through this, we will continue the fight to retrieve his catalog and unpaid royalties. 4 days, we're not fighting for who killed him. You're not fighting for, I don't understand. 4 days, catalog. There's something wrong, his catalog and unpaid royalties so that through this, those he left behind, especially his son, Liam Imole, will be provided for. I'll get there. I'm coming back there. We want justice for Mohbad, and we will appreciate all the support we can get in this fight to retrieve his catalog We will appreciate the effort we can get to. Let me do that again. We want justice for Mohbad, and we will appreciate all the effort we can get in this fight. In this fight to retrieve his catalog for Malian music, as this is the justice that Mohbad was working towards. The mule lives on. Look at them. They don't care. I think they care. They don't care, bro. Okay, so I came back to Nigeria to support the police with the investigation because I can see fingers pointing our ways. I can see that they paid the block. So I want to come back so they can actually know that I have nothing to do with it and chase whoever so you can get justice. So I came back to Nigeria. I was in Kwanti for 2 months. 2 months. After I even got out of Kwanti, I was fighting for my passport. They held my passport for how long? I showed them everything. There was no, like, this is a working country. Okay, it's okay, you can question me, but there's no reason to detain me for 2 months. 2 months for what? No reason. I was not in the country. I haven't seen him for over a year. There's not even nothing to ask him. There's nothing. I showed you everything. I was in Kwanti for 2 months, but it's okay. It's nothing, bro. I understand. I get it. There's people behind the scene. As you can see, the group chat got leaked. The officer that was in charge of the case in Kwanti, Mr. Ilara, they mentioned his name to call him. They're talking about George. So they did this is Africa, they did their homework to keep me there for 2 months. I was in Kwanti for 2 months. Even people pointing fingers at me, that don't mean I should be in Kwanti for 2 months. You can see the evidence. I have nothing to do with it. Even the officers, they were saying I have nothing to do with it from early. They're telling me this is for my own protection. Just my own protection to stay in Kwanti for 2 months. You know what Kwanti is? So Kwanti, I was in a cell. But anyway, it's okay, alhamdulillah. If I wasn't there for 2 months, a lot. I would have probably, a lot, but they need to keep me there for 2 months. But it's okay, like I said. It's all right. When I got out, I was gonna do a video to explain everything. But, wow, they're doing autopsy. I was very happy and waiting for autopsy. But anyways, what can I say? I can only say my side of the story. But if you ask me, I'll tell the police to arrest everybody. Arrest everybody that was in it. Arrest everybody again. Don't worry. Arrest everybody again. Everybody. Put an officer we can trust in charge. Arrest everybody again. We're not blind, you can see, but that's it. Lastly, we got in touch with Mohbad lawyer and we are ready to give his share to whoever the court of family picked to be in charge of his estate. Since Mohbad passed away, we have not touched any money for Mohbad. Is there safe for whoever the family picks or whoever the court picks. You know what it is? It's a boy Naira Marley. Still remain the lawyer, Malian president. You know how it is.